Hello, bearded bee people. Welcome back to B&K As you could probably expect by looking at me, I was not planning on being on camera today. I have a lot of web design stuff that's going on, and not a whole lot of stuff out in the bee yard that was going on. I needed to shake a cell starter and pull a couple of queen cups from cells that I placed, and that was it. So I was going to come out here and do that very quickly. And these pesky nukes. Once again, the perils of splitting up a colony that is swarm ready and not pulling all but one or two cells. They will cast out little virgin swarms. This one isn't so little, but I still suspect it came from that nuke right there, and that there's a virgin queen in that pile somewhere. So I'm not going to cut this branch. I'm just going to do it the good old-fashioned shake into a bucket method. And hopefully it will be quick and easy, and the bees will cooperate and agree that it's probably a better situation to be chilling out in a bucket than on a tree limb with rain headed our way. So hopefully these bees are cool to me too. They usually are in swarm mode, but it doesn't cover every single case, so I guess we'll find out. I have a frame of some drawn stuff that'll smell nice to them. It's a big old pile of bees. Do y'all have a queen in there? Do y'all have a queen in there? Okay, so obviously I'm going to have to get them into a bigger box. I'm going to let them chill out in there for a little while first. There's a drawn frame I think I showed you that I will check maybe in 2 days to see if there's eggs. If there are, I'll treat it differently than if it's a virgin queen swarm. So I'll figure that part out and then do with them whatever I will. If they're a virgin swarm, I'll leave them here. Put them in a bigger box, leave them here in this location so that the queen can go out and get mated and then return back to the spot that she knows she's in. If they're a mated swarm, I'll let them build out and turn into a 10 frame colony. So that is that. Those are my favorite way of, that is my favorite way of catching swarms, by the way. It's just more fun than cutting off a branch and setting the thing down delicately next to the hive you're trying to convince them to go into. Just shake them. It's fun. Bees don't get hurt. If you don't shake the crap out of it, don't shake it as hard as you can, and if you don't do that, usually you won't get hurt either. So catching swarms is a lot of fun. Go out there and get one for yourself. Get out there and have some fun with your bees. Thank you for watching. See ya.